Welcome to Turbo for Outlook. Turbo for Outlook is an assistance system for Microsoft Outlook that helps employees and managers access information faster, understand communication more easily, and work more efficiently, all without leaving Outlook. Let's take a look. Now, let's select an email in Microsoft Outlook. As you can see, we can read the email, but that's all we see. To learn more about this sender, we have to copy the sender's email address, paste it into Outlook's search box, and start the search. Now we close the search and return to our inbox. As we select different emails, the experience stays the same. We can read each email, but that's all we see. No communication history, no business context, no instant insights. Now let's open Turbo for Outlook and pin it to the side. Without performing a single search, Turbo instantly provides a complete communication overview for the selected external domain. The summary bar gives you an instant overview of your communication. It shows emails sent by me, sent by us, received by me, and received by us. It also highlights newsletters, delivery failures, and out-of-office replies automatically. All related emails are loaded into the list. We can now review the complete communication comfortably, one email at a time, without ever leaving the current Outlook view. You can select one or multiple emails, choose Move To, and select the destination folder. Turbo moves the selected emails automatically. The progress bar shows the current progress. As we select different emails in Microsoft Outlook, Turbo automatically updates the communication context. Every selected email comes with its own complete overview, instantly and without any manual steps. Thanks for watching. We hope this demonstration has shown you how Turbo for Outlook can transform the way you work with Microsoft Outlook. Get Turbo for Outlook and achieve more.